Jamie here from Cosmic Kids. It's day 5 of Children's Mental Health Week and we are going to try yet another mental health superpower. All of our mental health superpowers can be found in the free download pack using the link below. So get yours today. Today's superpower is the big one of looking after your mental health. It sounds really simple, but we humans can find this one pretty hard. And kids find this one particularly challenging. Or maybe you'll prove me wrong. Let's see. Yes, the ultimate mental health superpower is relaxation. Yes, I just said the R word, which I know can send a shiver down most kids' spines. But if you can master relaxation, a whole world of health and happiness is waiting for you. You see, even when you relax just for a few minutes, your body and mind lets go of stress and tightness. Your body has an army of these amazing little cells which are like doctors and nurses, and they start working on any areas which need to be fixed when you're relaxing. Your tummy is able to make sure all the food you've eaten gets taken to the right places, and your mind gets to have a little break and stop doing so much thinking for a bit. Of course, all this happens when you sleep, which is another mega mental health superpower, but just you relaxing a few times in the day is a massive help. So on that note, let's have a go at the wiggle flop. This one you have to listen to and follow the instructions.
Are you ready? Okay. Wherever you are, see if you can start to wriggle. Wriggle your legs, your arms, jiggle your fingers, your toes. Can you wriggle your body too? Yes, your chest and tummy and your face, your nose and mouth, everything wriggling and jiggling. That's it, keep going. Wriggling a little bit more. Wriggle, wriggle, wriggle. And now flop. Totally droopy. No moving, not a sausage. Really heavy and floppy. Remember to breathe. Breathing is definitely okay in wiggle flop. And now, let's wriggle again. Yeah, get those legs and arms going. Your feet and hands, your fingers and toes, all the wriggles moving up into your body and head. Every last part of you having a good old fidget. That's it. A little longer, wriggle, 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 and flop. Like you've been switched off. Everything flopping down. Not a flicker or flutter. Breathing, yes, but total relaxed, droopy stillness. I reckon you might be pretty good at this. In fact, you could be getting better with each time we play. Okay, let's have one final go, and this time see if you can really enjoy your flop time at the end. Let's get wriggling. Get those legs going and those arms. Yes, now your hands and feet, fingers and toes, body and face. That's it. The wriggliest you've been for ages, like you're the wriggle champion of the world. And flop. All the wriggles melt away. And you're as still and relaxed as can be. You get the gold medal for floppiness. Breathing and enjoying the feeling of being so heavy and still. Feel it in your body, how your arms feel now, your legs too. What real stillness with no holding or tension feels like in your body. Notice how your fingers and toes feel too. All these parts of your body almost tingling because they are so floppy and relaxed. Well done. It's time to return. Listen to the sounds around you. Notice where you are lying or sitting. Feel where your body meets the chair, ground, or maybe bed beneath you. Slowly open your eyes if you've had them closed. And take a moment to just sit back and think about how that worked for you. Did you enjoy it? Next time you're feeling fidgety, see if you can remember wiggle flop and practice coming to that lovely, melty, soft, floppy feeling. When you can do that, you'll have mastered something really amazing, and it will help you in more ways than you can imagine. See you again soon. This is Jamie, saying peace out.
You're getting the hang of this relaxation stuff. For loads more, download your free pack now.